Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Actor D, Derek D. You know I got a lot of nicknames, but look, all my friends have been saying, hey, Big D, Actor D, why don't you do a video on cycling since you ride a bicycle and lost a lot of weight? You know, how does it work? So I just want to say, before you go out and spend a whole lot of money on a bicycle, I think in most cities, if you go downtown, they have those rent-a-bike, and you can go put your credit card in and you can ride through the park or ride to the end of the block. And they also, one thing about those bikes is they have assist pedaling in case you get a block away and feel like you gotta dial 911. Now for me, I consider this to be a good investment because I've had this bicycle now going on 6 years, and man, have I gotten my money's worth out of this bicycle. But before you go out and spend a lot of money on a bicycle, I've got a few tips for you. So, hey, today the weather is not acting right. I wanted to do this video outside, and as soon as I raise the garage door, it starts raining. But anyway, that's not gonna stop this video because cycling is great exercise. So, Facebook, YouTubers, this is just gonna be a basic deal. I'm gonna do like part 1, part 2. But this is if you're 40 and over and you're tired of pounding the concrete or tired of running and jumping, you can't play basketball anymore, let me tell you, cycling is what I suggest because man, your feet, your limbs, they never touch the ground, and it's just great cardio and great exercise, and I recommend cycling. So, a little cycling gear, and for those of y'all who are already cycling, if you don't have your cycling gear, let me tell you, the pants come with 3 gel padding, and let me tell you something, man, that padding is the truth. Because, you know, your rump can get sore when you're bicycling. So, hey, part 1, you thinking about cycling? As Derek D. Have a good day. Love you. Mwah.